Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the industry or diving into a DIY project, drilling the correct angled holes for a pool fence is crucial for both functionality and aesthetics. The Hammer Drill Guide presents the most cost-effective method for installing a removable pool fence. Let's explore the steps for utilizing the Hammer Drill Guide effectively. Starting with the guide's first setting, we aim for drilling straight or plumb holes, referred to as NL or no lean. This is essential when your fence is designed to follow a straight path, ensuring that all holes are plumb, except for those designated for the gate, which we will discuss in more detail shortly. Begin by inserting the 5/8 inch hammer drill bit through the bottom of the drill guide. Next, using a deck sleeve and a Sharpie, mark the drill bit to indicate the required drilling depth, approximately 4.5 inches. Before attaching the drill, place the guide over your mark. Use the 3 Allen bolts to adjust the guide, ensuring that the bubble is centered for level drilling. This step should be repeated for each hole, ensuring consistency. After attaching the drill, align the tip of your drill bit with your mark. Make sure that the side of the bit is aligned with the chalk line. To stabilize the guide during drilling, position both feet on it. Begin drilling at a slow pace and then gradually increase speed. The average pool deck is 4 inches thick. Carefully watch your reference mark and don't drill any deeper. Remove the drill and drill guide and promptly sweep up any resulting dust to prevent it from entering the holes. This is an example of a properly drilled hole, perfectly aligned with your chalk line. Rinse each hole with plenty of water and then insert the deck sleeve. After all the holes are drilled and sleeves are inserted, you're ready to install the fence and gate. For installations requiring curves, the LL or light lean setting allows for a slight 3-degree inward or outward lean, depending on the direction of the curve. And again, the straight sections will use the NL setting for no lean. When installing a rectangular post or double pole truss for your gate, apply the LL setting for a slight 3-degree lean. Position the guide sideways, drilling the holes so that the gate trusses lean slightly towards each other. This is an example of how it will look before you attach the trusses to the fence. The simplest gate option is the ALLSAFE gate, requiring plumb or no lean holes. The ALLSAFE gate arrives with all necessary hardware pre-installed, allowing for straightforward, hassle-free installation directly from the box. And lastly, HL or heavy lean is between 6 to 7 degrees and is designated for more extreme angles like double pole corners. The Hammer Drill Guide simplifies the process of installing a pool fence, ensuring both safety and aesthetic appeal through precise and effective drilling techniques.